Hi, my name is Neffert and I am the vlogger and blogger behind Modeplus, and I wanted to take this time to thank all of you who are following me outside of the Netherlands. I really appreciate your support, and I want to thank you for subscribing and thank you for your comments. And I also wanted to tell you that I will be posting once a week, and every Wednesday I want to be uploading an outfit of the day or a styling video, and it's all gonna be about fashion, and mostly plus size fashion because I am a plus size girl. So I hope you like the styling films that are coming up, and please subscribe or share or like if you're not doing it already. Thank you very much, and till the next video. Bye.
All these earthquakes don't wake me up from this deep sleep. Diving into this cold lake. Fuck a bitch till her toes shake. Telling me I'm her soulmate. Scout's motion, no face. Bullshit with that.